Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Microsoft Word on Microsoft 365 and sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you have an active Office subscription for the Dictate feature to appear. Plug in or enable a working microphone and set it as default in Windows sound settings. Go to the Home tab and look for the Dictate button with a microphone icon. If you do not see it, update Office from Account Update Options. After the update, restart Word and return to the Home tab. Click the Dictate button on the Home tab to start voice to text. Allow microphone access when Windows asks so Word can capture your voice input. Choose your spoken language from the Dictate drop-down menu before speaking for accurate recognition. Speak in clear sentences and use the built-in punctuation commands like comma, period, or question mark. You can also say new line or new paragraph to format text as you go. Monitor the live transcription to correct any words quickly. Speak in a quiet room and position the microphone about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth for the best accuracy. Use concise sentences and pause briefly between complex phrases to improve recognition rates. Use commands like delete that and select last sentence to edit quickly by voice while Dictate is active. Turn off automatic punctuation if you prefer manual control, or enable autocorrection in Word options for cleaner output. Save your document to OneDrive or a local drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.